Good morning, student.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm great, thank you. My name is Miss Arin and I will be your teacher today. Today we are going to learn about quadratic equation and function. Now, before we begin, let's look at our learning objective. After this lesson, the student is able to understand quadratic equation and quadratic functions, identify methods for solving quadratic equations, solve simple quadratic equation problems, understand the graph of quadratic function, and apply quadratic function in daily life. Okay, first, what is a quadratic equation? Let's discuss about this. A quadratic equation is an equation with the highest power of 2. The general form is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a is not equal to 0 and a, b with c are constant. Do you understand, student?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, excellent. Next, a quadratic function is written as f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c. This function is are used in physics, engineering, economics, and architecture. Now, let's learn how to solve quadratic equation using factoring. For example, x squared plus 7x plus 12 equals 0. Now we factor it into x plus 3, x plus 4 equals 0. So, what are the solutions?
X equal negative 3 and negative 4, Miss.
Yes, that's excellent. Next, let's learn about quadratic formula. Nah, the quadratic formula is useful when factoring is difficult. The formula is x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 ac over 2a. Do you understand, student?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, let's look at the example. X squared minus 6x plus 5 equals 0. What's the solution?
Hmm.
X equals 5 or
X equal 5 or X equal 1.
yes, that's right. Now let's learn about the graph. The graph of a quadratic function is called a parabola. If a is greater than 0, the parabola opens upward. If a is less than 0, the parabola opens downward. Nah, important parts are vertex, axis of symmetry, x-intercepts, and y-intercepts. Now, for the example, it's like this. F of x equals x squared minus 4. The x-intercepts is minus 2, 0, and 2, 0. And y-intercept is 0, minus 4. Okay, let's learn about the discriminant next. The discriminant helps determine the type of roots. The formula is d equals b squared minus 4ac. If d is greater than 0, there are two real roots. If d equals 0, there is one real root. If d is less than 0, the roots are complex. So, do you understand, student?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Now, let's Okay, it's an example from discriminant. The question is x squared plus 2x plus 5 equals 0. So the equation has complex root. It's d equals minus 16. Next, we have a vertex and axis of symmetry. The vertex formula is x equals minus b 2a. The vertex shows the maximum or minimum point of a graph. For example, f of x equals x squared minus a6. Sorry, 8x plus 7. So the vertex is 4 minus 9 and axis of symmetry is x equals 4. Do you understand, student?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good. Now, let's solve this problem together. And the problem number 1 is 12. X squared plus 9x plus 20 equals 0.
X plus 4, x plus 5 equals 0. So x equal negative 4 and negative 5.
Yes, that's right. The problem number 2 is find the discriminant of x squared minus 4x plus 8 equals 0.
Hmm. B square minus 4ac equal 19 minus 32 equal negative 19.
Yes, excellent. That's correct. So, let's see the application of quadratic function in real life. Nah, quadratic functions are used in basketball trajectories, bridge construction, business profit analysis, and rocket motion. The example in problem is a ball is thrown upward and follows a parabolic path. And the example, the question is why are quadratic functions useful for analyzing the motion? Like that, okay? Now, if you understand, let's do a quick check quiz. Question number 1. Solve x squared plus 5x plus 9 equals 0. Sorry, 6 equals 0.
X plus 2, x plus 3 equals 0. So x equal negative 2 and negative 3.
Yes, that's correct. Question number 2 is what is the discriminant of x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals 0?
B square minus 4ac equal minus equal 0.
Yes, that's right. The question number 3 is true or false when the graph of a quadratic function is called a parabola.
True, Miss.
Okay, excellent. Now, before we finish, let's review today's lesson. Today, we learn about quadratic equations have degree 2. Factoring and formulas help solve equations. Quadratic graphs are parabola. The discriminant determines root types. Quadratic functions are useful in real life. Now, any questions, students?
No, Miss.
Alright, students, we have reached the end of today's lesson. Thank you for attention. I'm Miss Mariam. Goodbye and have a nice day.
Thank you, Miss.